Hello, today we will guide you through how to change leverage on IC markets. In this walkthrough, we'll show you where to find the leverage setting inside the IC Markets Secure Client area and how to adjust it while setting up a demo account. This is a simple process, but it helps to move carefully so you choose the setting that matches your trading preferences. To begin, open the IC Markets Secure Client area and go to the Home dashboard. This is the main landing page where you can access your account tools and settings. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct area before moving on. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Accounts. This section contains the options related to your trading accounts, including account management and the creation of new accounts. If you don't immediately see the option, just check the left sidebar carefully, since that's where it's located. After entering the Accounts section, click on Open New Demo Account. This is the area used to create a demo account with your preferred trading conditions. In this example, the leverage is being selected as part of the demo account setup process. So if your goal is to test different leverage settings in a risk-free environment, this is the right place to do it. Once the new demo account form appears, find the Leverage drop-down menu and click on it. The drop-down allows you to view the available leverage options for the account you're creating. Leverage affects your trading exposure, so it's a good idea to select a level that fits your strategy and your comfort level, especially when you're practicing on demo. From the list that appears, select the sample leverage options shown on screen. This completes the leverage selection step. Be sure to confirm that the chosen value is displayed correctly before proceeding with any other account setup fields. And that's it. You've successfully reached the leverage setting and selected your preferred option for the new demo account in IC Markets. As a quick tip, if you're experimenting with leverage for the first time, using a demo account is a smart way to understand how different settings impact margin and position sizing without taking on real financial risk. Thanks for following along, and that's how to change leverage on IC Markets.